Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Kent County, Southeastern Caroline County, Western Sussex County until 7:45 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a cluster of slow-moving showers and thunderstorms. Rainfall rates of 2 to 2.5 inches of rain can't be expected. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to rural areas of South Central Kent, Southeastern Caroline, and Western Sussex counties. Please report flooding, hail, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. This is no